The National Monument Islamabad is a landmark in the capital city of Pakistan that represents the unity of the 4 provinces and 3 territories of the country. The monument was completed in 2007 and is located on the Shakar Parian hills of Islamabad. It was built to commemorate the history, culture, and heritage of Pakistan, and it comprises several structures that symbolize different aspects of the country's identity. The main structure of the National Monument Islamabad is a giant bronze and steel star that represents the star and crescent on the national flag of Pakistan. Surrounding the star are 4 petals that represent the 4 provinces of Pakistan: Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan. The 3 smaller petals represent the 3 territories of Pakistan: Gilgit-Baltistan, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, and the Federally Administered Tribal Areas. The monument also includes several other structures, including a museum, an art gallery, and a library, which showcase the history and culture of Pakistan. The National Monument Islamabad is a popular tourist destination and a symbol of national pride for Pakistanis. Bab-e-Pakistan, also known as the Gateway to Pakistan, is another national monument located in Lahore, Pakistan. It was built on the site of a major refugee camp at the time of the partition of India and Pakistan in 1947. The monument was completed in 2011 and serves as a memorial to the millions of Muslims who migrated to Pakistan during the partition. Bab-e-Pakistan is a towering structure that features a large archway and several pillars that symbolize the resilience and strength of the Pakistani people. The monument also includes a museum and a library that showcase the history and culture of Pakistan. Both National Monument Islamabad and Bab-e-Pakistan Lahore are important symbols of national unity and pride for the people of Pakistan, and they serve as reminders of the country's rich cultural heritage and history.